Hey guys, I'm Basil. Let's talk about the Huawei MateBook X Pro. Announced at Mobile World Congress 2019, this is a beauty. I've been using a MacBook for about 10 years now, and I figured I should swap over and try this thing out. The MateBook X Pro of 2018 was, according to TechRadar, probably the best laptop of the year, or at least one of. So it definitely makes sense that if I am going to get a chance to review this, I review it in a little bit more detail, but I update you guys as I go along. So I'll be recording a daily diary so that I can give you as I experience some highs and lows. You saw I just unlocked it with a fingerprint scanner right there. Top right, there's a fingerprint scanner. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the key highlights, and then I'm going to wrap up with something that just excited me today and I actually use practically, which only this laptop has. And then in the next few videos, I'll pick other bits to focus on, largely influenced by your comments. So it's my first kind of diary of, it's going to be a bit more informal, a bit more conversational, and a bit less edited. But first off, let me go into the specs of this thing. It packs up to a Core i7 processor, Core i5 or Core i7, 8th generation. It's 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, 256 right through to 1 terabyte of storage. This is a 1 terabyte version with i7 power. The i7 variant also has MX250 graphics under the hood, up on the MX150 of its predecessors. So super powerful, and obviously it's got a Thunderbolt 3 on the left hand side, so you can plug in external graphics Fandango and it'll just be fantastic. Back to this thing. You've got the keyboard, really nice to type on, my experience today, and a big trackpad as well. You've got a front camera. There is no camera on the display or around the display, so Windows Hello biometric security is limited to the fingerprint scanner. The front camera is pop-uppable and downable, just like with its predecessor. This might irk some people who didn't like the fact you'd see a lot of finger typing if you're having a video call, but I didn't use it that much in my time, so I'm looking forward to testing that out. You've also got something called Huawei Share, which I used today and I'll talk about in tomorrow's video probably, unless something else blows my mind before that. The screen is 3000 by 2000 resolution, nice and sharp, 3:2 aspect ratio, is pretty versatile, really good for document editing, a little bit taller than a 16:9 screen, for example. Yeah, I really enjoy using this because I edit a lot of documents, and also editing video, you've got a lot of screen real estate, and nice high resolution helps along with that. USB-A port to the right, 2 USB-Cs or 1 USB-C, 1 Thunderbolt on the left, and 3.5mm jack. 4 speakers, Dolby surround audio as well, and up to 14 hours battery. I think that's you covered. I think that's it covered from specs. But the thing that really delighted me today was the 3-finger swipe down screen grab. If you use a snipping tool on Windows, it's been around since like Windows Vista or something. I don't know. If you guys know when they introduced a snipping tool, let me know. It hasn't changed in so long and it's kind of just bad. This way I can like make customized snips, but I can also make really easy screen grabs of the whole page by just tapping, and it will grab the whole page, and then I can edit it afterwards and share it and stuff. It also, as you can see, recognizes the text on the page as well, so I can grab that and then share that in a PowerPoint or a video or whatever I end up needing to do. So OCR just hard baked into the screen recording app. So hopefully like that's really cool and it stays stable, because if it does, I used it today when making a video, the OnePlus 7 video. Hopefully I'll be using it in other ways and really taking advantage of that OCR stuff. I want to know what you have to say though, because I'm going to pick up on points that I experience day to day, but a lot of them I also want to be inspired by you. I'll hopefully try and do my best to get this done for the next 30 days. And so a bit of a diary every day. Yeah, stay tuned to the channel, subscribe. It's how you'll stay on top of my MateBook X Pro 2019 diary and everything else on Let's Talk About Tech. Bye.